Hey there, I have one question for you. Are you ready to learn a step-by-step system to buying your first rental property? I'm Emily Duplessis, the founder of Rental Rookie and an English teacher turned real estate investor. And today I'm going to tell you about our signature training course that shows you how to get your first rental property. Now, if you've been struggling with wanting to buy a rental property, but you've had no idea where to start, or you simply just don't have the time to actually go and dedicate hours to surfing the internet or reading books so that you actually feel confident enough in going after a property that will make you money, then you need this training course. Because it's going to show you the step-by-step system to buying your first rental property. And we've used this system time and time again to grow our own rental portfolio to be worth over $1 million. Which actually has allowed me to leave my job as a teacher and raise our kids and live a life by our design. It's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is click the button on the bottom of this page and you can enroll in the course now. And the best part is we're giving you a huge discount so that you can actually feel good about taking the plunge. None of that buyer's remorse. There's no catch, and I'm doing this because I was in your shoes. I knew nothing about investing in rentals and had to actually go and put in a ton of time. Like I said, I was an English teacher. I hated numbers. I hated math. So I put in a ton of time reading books, listening to podcasts, and learning basically through trial and error until we actually figured out a system that we could use over and over again for buying property. And what I want to do is actually save you time and help you reach your goals. Whether that be traveling the world, quitting the rat race and leaving your 9-to-5, or simply just spending more time with your family. I want to pay it forward. And I realize that, sometimes making a huge commitment of time and money can be a little scary. So we've decided to offer a huge Black Friday sale to help you go for it without feeling like you're breaking the bank. And to be honest, this course actually hasn't been available to enroll in by itself in over 2 years. We've had it inside of our membership, but we have not had it open for enrollment, just this course alone. So, we haven't opened it up for new members, and we know that this is the time. It's the perfect way to prepare for the new year and your new goals for investing, since we're just about a month away from 2019. So, you have 30 days to decide if it's the right course for you. One more time, here's what you're getting. Access to our exclusive ZerotoProperty course that gives you over 20 training videos, analyzers and spreadsheets, worksheets, and PDF slides of the entire course. There are also bonuses that we're giving away with this course as well, including an extra entire training course entitled Financing Avenues for Buy and Hold Investors that breaks down over 8 different financing strategies. So if you're the one out there who says, I want to buy rental property, but I have no idea how I'm going to pay for it, well, then you're 99% of the newbie investors that I talk to, and this course is absolutely for you, and we're throwing it in as a bonus. You also can get access to our private Facebook group where we have, a group of like-minded individuals asking questions and learning from each other. And you'll also get access in this bonus to video interviews that we have with real estate investment CPAs, lending companies, where we ask the questions so you don't have to. And it's all for only $97. We actually regularly charge $397 for this course, but you have the chance to enroll now and save over 60%. All you have to do is click the button below and you'll get enrolled today. And remember, the secret to getting ahead is getting started.